Hey everybody, it's Holly from Baby Gizmo. Today we are taking a look at the Joovy Kooper. Now we reviewed the Joovy Kooper 10 years ago, but this stroller, even though it shares the same name, is different from wheels to handlebar. It is a completely different stroller, so let's take a look. Now let's start with the seat. The seat accommodates 3 months all the way up to 55 pounds, but you can use it with a newborn with the sold separately car seat adapter that works with 30 different infant car seats. Now the seat itself is 12 inches wide with a 17-inch seat back and a measurement from the back of the seat to the top of the canopy of 27 inches. So you can fit a pretty large child in the seat. Now it has a padded 5-point adjustable harness. And if you see right here, the buckle, it's very easy to do. You just push the button and it pops right open. Your toddlers are probably gonna be able to open this one. What I do like is that the pieces, the top and the bottom piece of the harness, they can be separated if you needed them to be, but they don't just pop open when you open the harness, which I love that. Now, it comes with a snack tray, and I'm gonna ruin the surprise for you, but you can fold the stroller with the snack tray attached, which is huge for lightweight compact strollers. Now I love this snack tray. First of all, it has a bottle cup holder over here and a little indentation right here for snacks or toys. You can pop the top of the tray off like this to take it inside for cleaning, which I like a lot as well. It's also swing away and completely removable if you did want to remove it. Like I said, you don't have to remove it when you're folding the stroller, so it's a nice option, but again, you don't have to remove it if you don't want to. There is an adjustable leg rest down here with a few different options. Now it goes all the way up there for the smaller babies. You push the 2 buttons, it goes halfway down and then all the way down, and the children can set their feet down here. Now let's look at the recline of the stroller seat. It's a one-handed strap recline. All you have to do is squeeze here. It's an infinite recline, so it stops wherever you stop. It goes all the way back there. Since it's not a full flat recline, that's why they recommend it for 3 months and up in the seat. Just put your finger in here to put it up, squeeze, and that's as upright as the seat goes. So it's not a completely upright seat, but it's still very decent. So let's go ahead and talk about the storage. Now on the back of the seat, there is a large pocket back here. And what I have in this pocket are these little pieces are actually, you can put them in when you take the snack tray off if you wanted to leave the snack tray off, and it just kind of covers those holes. But so that I don't lose them, I do keep them in this pocket. This is also great for wallet, keys, cell phone, things like that. And there's also a little bottle holder right here for a water bottle or baby bottle or whatever you'd like. Now the basket underneath holds up to 15 pounds. It's roomy, it's easy to access. I have a fully stocked medium-sized to large-sized diaper bag. It slides right in with no problem. I can get to it from the back very, very easily. A lot of room down there in the basket, which is really great for a lightweight stroller. So let's talk about the wheels that it rolls on. These are large wheels for a compact lightweight stroller. The front ones are 6 inches and the back ones are about 7 inches, which is really great for maneuverability. There's a 1-step brake that's connected in the back. It connects both wheels. You step down lightly to lock it into place, step down again, and that unlocks it. Really flip-flop friendly, which is fantastic. So let's go to the canopy. Now the canopy, it's like a neoprene material, really like it. It's large, it has 3 panels, but watch this guys. You can unzip an entire 4th panel, so it goes all the way almost to the baby bumper bar. Like I said, a full coverage canopy. Plus there is a peekaboo mesh window here. This whole piece just lifts right up and goes in the front, and it's a full mesh window that not only allows air to circulate through the seat, but it allows you to keep an eye on your little rider. If it's cold or you just don't need to look on in, you can close that up. Now the handlebar. The handlebar is also kind of a neoprene material, so no foam on this, which I really love. It's very comfortable. It is pretty average height. It's 40 inches from ground to where I place my hands. I am almost 5'5". It is very comfortable for me, and I think it would be good for smaller and, well, shorter and taller parents, but if you're super tall, you might want to try it out first. Now folding the Joovy Kooper is super easy to do, plus you can leave the snack tray on. So just lock your stroller into place. There are 2 buttons up here. One you squeeze, one you slide with your thumb. It's one-handed. It goes down like that. There is an auto lock right over here on the side. Like I said, snack tray is attached. It weighs 16 pounds, so it's easy to lift and travel with. It adheres to the Disneyland and Disney World rules for strollers. Very compact package, easy to fold, and pretty easy to unfold as well. All you have to do is set it down, unlock your auto lock, pull up your handlebar like that, give it a shake until it locks into place, and you are pretty much ready to go. Now there's a couple other things I want to tell you about the Joovy Kooper. First of all, the seat fabric is removable and machine washable, so there's no spot cleaning on this one, which I love. Now the cost, it is $259, and it comes in 6 different colors. The different colors are black, gray, glacier, which is like a teal, olive, paprika, and sand. There's also a rain cover that's sold separately and a car seat adapter, like I said, that works with 30 different infant car seats. So that's it, guys. What did you think about the Joovy Kooper? What did I tell you? Totally different than the Kooper from 10 years ago. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.